Hey guys, Bob here, Turn 4 Automotive Performance in Gray, Maine. Today we're going to do another wheel review for you. This time the Rollin' Big Power 65R Glock 20x10. Please subscribe to our channel for more product reviews like this, shop projects, car show coverage, and racetrack views. The 65R Glock is a 20x10 inch wheel done by RBP Wheels. RBP is manufactured by Lexani. Says that right inside the back of the wheel. Very good quality wheel, very heavy wheel. This one wheel is about 45 pounds out of the box, about 50 pounds in the box. They come with a plastic center cap. Bolt on, it's got 2 bolts. The rest are just fake bolts. We'll go ahead and show you, what it looks like. This wheel has an 87 millimeter center bore. So fits nice on the half-ton trucks. Works really good with stock hubs. This wheel is dual bolt pattern. It's got a 6x135 and 6x139.7. So it's going to fit all your Chevy half-tons, Ford half-tons from 04 and newer, the newer Dodge trucks with the 6-lug wheels, your older Nissans, your Toyota Tacomas. All those vehicles are going to be covered by this one wheel. This one's a -12 offset. Gives a nice little bit amount of push out, to clear those oversized off-road tires. If you want to run lower, these are great too. They stick just outside the fenders, a little bit of camber, you look all right. So 20x10 inch wheel, 10 inches wide, holds a variety of tires, and anywhere from a stock size tire all the way up to a 12.5 or a 13.5 wide tire. These are great for mud tires. Got a great load range on them. Load range is about 3,200 pounds on this wheel. Plenty of strength if you're going to go ahead and tow or off-road your vehicle and put it in some really situations that are going to be tough for a lot of these other wheels. This wheel is made in China, designed in the US of A. So great wheel. We designed it over here in America, sent it over to China, keep the cost down. Very inexpensive wheel. $265 a wheel. Whole set of these for under $1,100, shipped to your door. Free shipping here at Turn 4 Automotive and Performance. Follow to our Facebook page in the link below, facebook.com/turn4automotive. Again, this wheel, this is black with the machined accents. It's got the fake bolts around the beadlock bolts around the outside. The machining is really nice on this wheel. It's got no lines in it. It's really smooth. The black paint is beautiful, nice and glossy. On the inside, it's got more of a flat or a matte finish to it. It's not as glossy on the inside. Very nice looking wheel, very strong, great for your half-ton pickups. Go ahead and run on over to facebook.com/turn4automotive to inquire about a set of these wheels today. Thank you for watching. Please go visit our RZ58 ZAMP helmet review for a chance to win a free racing helmet. All you gotta do is follow the instructions in the video. Please subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.